Meatballs with extra garlic and a few pieces of vegetable. It's a bit wet, but it's not that wet. Our future is in safe hands. Oh, it's all rush. I'm sweating like a member of the audience on the top of the pop studios in the 70s. It's looking absolutely beautiful.
We've had a meeting.
Hello?
We've had a meeting. It all got a bit tense at one point.
Yeah?
But we decided, despite the weather being as it is, we're going for it.
We're going for it. We're going
to
Dungeon Ghyll.
Oh,
Are we?
oh, they're like Witherspoons. Oh, okay then, yeah.
Oh, where are we going? Dungeon Ghyll. Dungeon Ghyll.
Alright then, we're going there. Maybe on that bus there. But we're not sure. He's currently annoying the bus driver. He's got a busy job and a lot on. And now I'm making him do his job for him. Technology, don't believe it. We were looking at our apps, like teenagers, looking to see when the next bus was to Dungeon Ghyll, and on the app, the 909 and a big line through it. On my app it didn't even exist, so we're looking at plan B, C, D and maybe plan E, which might involve the coffee. So we thought we'd hang about and see what happened, and lo and behold, here we are.
There's nobody was on. Oh, there's a lady down there.
Yeah, so who else has looked at the app, seen a line through it and said, no, we'll not bother. So don't believe the app. Absolutely hammering it down. I think I can say without any sort of argument, today is a no ice cream day. There he is, getting his third layer on.
Look at that view.
Absolutely beautiful.
So we're heading, we've had a change of plan. We're not going down the Lakeland Valley and up. No, fucking hell. We're not going down the Lakeland Valley and up Rossett Pike. We're going to go through the farm to Hornyside Falls. It's a bit shorter and take it from there.
Imagine dropping a £5 note in there. Yeah, it'll be at 10 before you realise.
Look at that, look at them views. Absolutely beautiful. The fine drizzle is slowly dispersing. Hopefully I'll get my big camera out soon and get some nice snaps of this. Crinkle Crags in the distance, you can't see. Go on, chaps.
On the way.
It's
Stop to wring me socks out.
It's that right fine stuff that soaks you through.
It's wetter than Mrs. Hermanchinski's kitchen mop. All our stuff put on three planks of wood.
few people heading off up there towards Crinkle Crags in the distance. What do you reckon then? Absolutely mental that, look at that. Look there. That's where they're heading. Hornyside Falls. Go there. Go back. Amazing. Yeah, quite a lot of rainwater. We're heading along this path round. First of all, got to get across here. It's not slippy. Look at that down there. It's putting some water down into the valley. What a beautiful day, even though it's wet. Worth getting out of bed for today. We nearly threw the towel in and never bothered coming here. We're just going to go around under here, but we've made it here. I'm glad we have. Of course, look at this. Up here. This is where we're going up there. You wouldn't want a fall in there, would you? Just enough to the waterfall now. What do you reckon, Sharps?
Don't make it back, Sharp. Tell me, daughter, what is it under my bed? I think that's plastic got in there with that sleeping. I'll have them meatballs, they'll be alright. One gust of wind with them 12 pants in the wrong direction, so I'll be up and away and over that hill up there. We're stuck on that little tree at top. I've got the pants, the bird just down under there. Absolutely, you don't need to spray.
Yeah. Oh, what a feeling sat here. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Every now and again, a blast of icy water hits you in the face. Absolutely, what a feeling. Fantastic. Here it comes, Debbie Bailey. It took a few today. Had a bit of a field day last 5 minutes. Just loved it.
Say that again.
Just saying, you had a field day last 5 minutes.
Oh.
Let's take a picture of this bit here. With that rocket unit water coming over it. Yeah.
We'll have to get this sport event out because you think it's good enough.
You never told me you had an O-level in photography.
I did. 1980 it was. It was a box brownie I used. I got a grade C, which is just enough to get a pass, no more than that. Could even have been 51%. But I've been invaluable to him on this little walk today. I've given him and imparted all my knowledge and more besides. And he took notice.
He's insane! He slips off there, he's had it!
We've come down from the waterfall and walked along the route we did maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago. The rain stopped, the skies have cleared, even the hills now, there's very little mist on the top of them. We get a bit more of a view, and more than likely, by home time, the sun will come out. But this is what the lakes are the lakes for. Why it's so full of water. And there is Owen in the far distance, plodding on unaware that I'm about 10 metres behind him with a boot full of water.
So we're going to get a bit of lunch now. I've got, I don't know if I mentioned, some meatballs, gravy, put some mixed veg in, black pepper, extra salt, and some garlic granules. So looking forward to that, and a banana. Finally the rain has stopped. And might be able to get my big camera out in a bit, take a few snaps. But I've took loads of photographs in the past from around here, so I'm not that bothered. Now where we was going to go originally was going to walk to the end of the valley at that side, walk up that left hand corner side, and if you see at the very top in the centre of the screen that little peak shrouded in cloud, I was going to head for there. But we're going to sit down here now out of the wind, this beautiful view, and have some lunch. Amazing.
That was a little bit. The road going well. A bit of flat ground. Look at this. There's Owen. That's some shot. Right in the donkey work. And there he is. Doing is route 4 safe impression. Look at the absolute state of this. Look at the absolute state of this.
You set me up there.
We'll wait till he's gone up. See if he can get up without making a noise. No, he can't. That's him done for the day. Putting all his gear away now, he's had enough. He's putting his wet gear away now. There's a nearly had a pint, but the barman didn't want us to show his face, so he missed out there.
We was under pressure, weren't we?
Well, time-wise,
We'd have to neck it.
you have to drink it quick, and being old men, you got to think about your bladder and an hour on the bus. These things have to be taken into consideration. So, try to do better of it. We've got to sit on a wall and try and improve our piles.
See what the bus situation is in Ambleside. We could have one there
Yeah,
or two.
I think the ice cream's a no-no today.
Ooh, it's nice though, but I think it's a no.
Yeah, it's not quite ice cream weather, so I reckon a beer or a cappuccino.
A beer.
A beer it is then. Don't ask. Over and out.
This is a cheap beer.
We've come back to Ambleside, haven't we? We're going to have one in Dungeon Ghyll, as we said previous, but the barman didn't want to know.
He didn't know.
So
Couldn't find him.
he's lost out on
Couldn't find him.
£10.
Well, this was £12.70.
12.7. Oh, never again. He's looking for something to burgle on the way out, something Nick, just to get some of his money back.
I was thinking of taking that because I could do with one.
I will get it out. God only knows. You better not know it.